Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. Hope you are all well, and it is coming to the end of Ramzan, and I hope it's all gone well for you. Okay, so another recipe in my segment, Cooking Made Simple. Okay, so Ramzan isn't complete without, what can we say, samosas and also chaat. So I normally do make this a few times during Ramzan, so I thought I would share with you. So here are the ingredients. Samosas, of course, sized as per what can we say, taste. So we have some really large ones and some smaller ones that we make at home. Okay, so the main ingredient is, well, that's the samosas. Then we need to create the chaat. So the ingredients for the chaat are going to be chickpeas, and then the various things that either go in that or as a further layer. So we have chopped potatoes, we have onions, we have cucumber, we have tomatoes, and we have an assortment of uh, sauces that we are going to add. Okay, so if we can make the chart first, can we add the potatoes, the onions, and the cucumber into that, please? So in goes the potatoes. It's really a simple recipe. We've got some onions in there. Okay, so onions to suit. And we've got some cucumber. Okay, so can we give that a good toss and a turn? So mix it really well. Okay, so we're going to prepare the chaat a bit further by adding the spices. Can we have some pepper in there, please? Lots of pepper.
Oh, yeah?
Can we have some salt in there?
Salt. This one.
I think that's enough. And the key ingredient, of course, is the chaat masala. So we are going to get it out of a box, but you can obviously make your own. So can we have some chaat masala in there, please? So as per taste, this hopefully is about 3 tablespoons.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to give that a good mix, and then that is our sort of first level, as it were, prepared. Okay, that is lovely. So we're going to put all of the chaat mixture onto the samosas. Okay, spread it out. Okay, so that is the chaat nicely spread out over the samosas. So now we're going to prepare a few of the sauces. Okay, so we need to prepare the sauces now. So can we have the yogurt in there first, please? Lots of yogurt. Okay, so we have our yogurt in the bowl. It's quite thick, so we need to thin it. Can we add some milk to that, please? And then give that a good mix. Okay, can we add some spices to suit? So we like salt. I think that's enough. We like pepper. And I love chilies in there, so can we have some chili powder in there, please? 1 spoon should be enough. There we go, and give that a good mix. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, so we're going to spread our yogurt mix over the chaat. Spread it all over. That is lovely. Okay, just spread it a little bit. That's lovely. Okay, so now we're ready for the final two things, which is tomatoes and the lettuce. So spread that out. Can we spread it a little bit? So the tomatoes are on, and finally we'll have some lettuce. Okay, that is lovely. Lots of lettuce. So this is called round lettuce, but you can use any of your choice. And finally, to enhance the flavour, we're going to have some sauces of our choice. So we have some hot chili sauce, we have some mango chutney, we have some mint yogurt, and the sort of tonic, as it were, and something that always makes a chaat that special. It's imli water, and we can buy this imli water from the shop. So can we have the hot chili, please, the red one? So spread that all over. Okay, as per taste. That is lovely. And we'll have some mango chutney on there. Yeah, there we go. Lots of mango chutney. This is actually quite sweet. Okay, and then my favourite yogurt. Yogurt, please. Yogurt with mint. Okay. Generous helping of that. That is just fantastic. And finally, we have some imli water. Okay. Okay, so again, as per taste. That is lovely. Okay, thank you very much. So there we have it, viewers. My very, very simple samosa chaat, and very nice it looks too. So I do hope you will try this simple recipe of mine. Wishing you the best of Ramzan, of what's left, and Eid Mubarak in advance. I should be posting one or two more videos, but Eid Mubarak just in case I don't. So look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz.